Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken Pro account, secure access step by step clearly. To log into your Kraken Pro account, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.kraken.com and press enter. Once the Kraken homepage loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your secure password in the password field. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, open your authentication app. Retrieve the current code generated by the app. Enter the code in the appropriate field on the login page. Double-check that all information is entered correctly. Then, click on the login button to access your account. Upon successful login, you'll be redirected to your Kraken Pro dashboard. If you encounter any issues, verify your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts sent to your email to complete the password reset process. Ensure you always log out after your session, especially on shared devices. This ensures your account remains secure after each use. Now you are ready to navigate your Kraken Pro account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.